Hello, welcome back to Salesforce Dealers team. In this lecture, we will talk about the logging library. If you want to get more information about the logging library, you can also switch to our website. The website is www.salesforcedealers.com. After that, click on the Learn Python section, then scroll down and click on the logging library. So, what is the logging library? So it is a very important model in the Python for the programmer. It is a help the better developed software in real scenarios. It's the provide the many features to programmers. Log can store the information in the file which may be related to the debug information and etc. You can just only debug your application and now you can also check the application flow and performance too. So Python logging module. So logging module of the Python is a very powerful library that is designed for the beneficial of for the beginner and developer too. It is used for the most third parties library and with the help of this you can easily integrate the log message and also create the log file of your software. Okay. So if you talk about this thing, so there is a 5 level in the log that we will talk about. So what is the 5 level? So it is a debug, info, warning, error, and the critical. So it is a so so if you talk about the debug, so debug is the information regarding when the diagnosis of the problem. Okay, so it is an info. It is a confirmation of the event work according to the expectation. Warning, it is a sign that is something unexpected happen. And second last is the error. It is used for the most serious problems that some function are not working of the any software. And last one is the critical. It indicates the serious error program it is unable to running. Okay. So here is the if you talk about so here is the their label and their numerical value too. If you talk about the not set, it's the 0, debug it's a 10, info is a 20, warning is a 30, error is a 40, and the critical is the 50. Okay, so we will work according to our need. If you want to debug using for the getting the information regarding the diagnosis problem, that you can switch to debugging. If another, then you can also use the info, warning, error, and the critical. Okay, so here is the task is the display on the console output for the basic use of the command line and script. So obviously it is a print. Print is used for the print anything into the command line and scripting also. Report event which is occurring during the normal operation. So logging info and logging debug is the best detailed diagnostic report. Okay. Generate a warning regarding the particular task. So we are using the logging.warning and report error regarding particular runtime event. So use for the raise exception. So report the submission of the error without the raising the exception. So now then we have using the logging.error and the logging.critical. Okay. So let's talk. So let's start by the some basic program of this logging. So okay. So let's start. Open the Sublime. Suppose import logging. Now logging dot debug. Okay. So this is debug message. Okay. Just copy that, paste. Okay. Just change the only we have to only change the here the label is the info. So it is a info. Okay. Now what we have to do. So suppose after that is a warning. It is a third on the numerical stage. So okay. Now take the warning. Now error and the critical. Okay. So here is we change the debug from the error and here is a critical. Okay. So now what we have to do is to save this file and run this thing. Okay, so save this file. So Python cmp.py. Okay, so now you can see root warning message and critical is so okay. So where here you can see it's a debug. Here you can see the debug and info is not printing. Why? This is why I'm talking to you in the last of this video. So here is the method to print the debugging and info warning error and critical and all the level of this logging. Okay, so now we will talk about the basic configuration. So let's see about the basic configuration on the website. So basic configuration is the method to configure used for the configuration of the logging. Some commonly parameter which is used for the followed is the level. Level is the same is a debug info warning error. It is a level. File name is specified the file name. If you want to create a file log file, so you can use the file name. Okay. File mode. Okay, it is just like a file handling. It's if you want to create so you have to use a W. Uh, it is a by default is a set upon the append mode. Okay, it's a format. It is used for the formatting the log and message. So let's understand by the program. Okay, so now what we will do? So import logging. Okay, so logging dot basic config label. If you talk about the label logging dot debug. Okay, logging dot debug. This is a get logged. Okay, so here is a simple things. We are using the basic config. It's a basic configuration. Now it's a, here I'm set the level is a debugging. Okay, so it is the primary things. So now run this program. So Python cmp.py. So now you can see this is get logged. So it is debug the base root. Okay guys, so now what now in these things we will create the file name. Okay, so here is a file name and here the name is a test.log. Okay, so now we will use the file mode. Okay guys, it's a W. Okay guys, so by default is it is creating the append mode. Now we are using the W mode for creating the file of the log file of this program. Okay, so let's run this again program. And when you get the successfully run that you have seen the here is a log file. There is a test.log. So check the property. So you can see it is a log file. Okay, so double click on this. Now you can see the debug this message is creating the file because I'm using the file method. Okay, so now now we will be see some program again. So if you if you see if you prefer the document. Okay guys, so here is the for we using this label file and we are also now in this type we will use the format. Okay, so uh, let's take the format how to use the use of the format. So let's see. So I am already creating this file. So now we will use the format. So format equals to the percentile There is lots of things. You can also switch to the website for getting the more information. So it is a predefined. Okay. So let's run this program. Okay. So now we will check. So now you can see the date and time is also same because due to the using the format function. Okay. So that's it for this session, guys. It is a part one video. So in the part second video we will talk about the another program of the logging in Python. Okay. So thanks for my watching video. Thank you, guys.